Good morning, Year 1, good morning, reception, and good morning, grown-ups. Today, this tutorial is designed to show you how you can make use of the Oxford OWL reading scheme online to be able to provide your child access to additional reading books that we've got in school. Okay, so to start with, I'm using Microsoft Edge, but exactly the same process would work with Google Chrome. So first thing you need to do is type into the search engine Oxford OWL. Then you click, it pulls up this, you click on the Oxford OWL for School and Home. Now at the top here we've got My Class Login. This is important, this is what you need to click to access it. Now all the stuff down here, this is the one. So you would type into here, if you're reception you'd type the reception SV that Mrs. Downey has shared with you. And if you're Year 1, which is what I'm going to concentrate on modelling, you do the same here, Year 1 SV. And then the password for Year 1 is class 1. Now you can set this to be saved, so that will be the same every time you go on. And people in reception, it doesn't matter, you've got access to the same books regardless whether you log on as a reception or Year 1. So you click on the login. You could at this point have the password saved. I'm not going to because I've got a teacher account as well. Okay, so now we go to the bookshelf. Click on My Bookshelf, and the way to search for the books is to go to bookbound level. So we've got level bookbound. If you're in reception, the chances are your reading books will be between red and maybe as far as green, but probably blue. There will be some of you reading lilac and pink as well. If you're in Year 1, your range of books pretty much are from blue through to gold. Okay, so I'm going to pick bookband 6. In fact, no, I'll pick bookband 4, blue. Now that gives you access to all the books that are blue. If you wanted to drill down more, if say you like Project X, you could click on that and then you could choose one of these books. If you change your mind, just go back to all series. If you want to choose another bookbound, go back to all levels and then start again. So we're going to have a look at how one of the books looks. So we're going to go with goal. Now there are occasions where these things don't open, and all you need to do is press the refresh and it will generally sort itself out. Okay, so there's a lot of buttons down the bottom, but actually we want you to treat this as a reading book, so all you need to do is use these 2 buttons here. If you want to play with these additional buttons in your own time, that's absolutely fine. So all you need to do is press this, turns the page, press it again, turns the page, and then read the words to your grown-up. In Year 1, if you're in school, your child will access the book on one tablet, and myself and Mrs. Lord will access the same book on our own tablets, and then you will read it to us and we can correct you from a safe social distance. Okay, and that's the process. And when you've finished, just close the book and close the browser, and that pretty much is how you access this.